Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.
Hello. Today I'm making a miso scallops, and these are all I need. If you have a 6-month-old miso in your fridge, today is your chance to use it. I'm cooking with the scallops today because my daughter loves them. But you could do the same recipe with shrimp, chicken, pork, cod, whatever you like. While the scallops are cooking, let's make the sauce. Let's go see how scallops are doing. Let's turn them over and cook the other side. Smells good now. Back to the sauce. Almost finished. You want to look for this consistency. Looking good. Now turn the heat to low and then put the sauce into the pan. Instead of using butter, you could also use sesame oil. 맛있지?
美味しい。
よかったよかった。和食だね。